What's up, Jazzers, and welcome back to the channel.
What's going on?
We're doing a snack crate this time. This one comes to us from France. This was actually supposed to be the last snack crate, but because of shipping errors, they decided to send us the one we got, and then they said, hey, we'll send to France to the next time. Okay.
I like the mime on that one. He looks terrified of something.
Makes us question the food, I guess. Maybe he's scared that we're about to eat something nasty. It's a very big loaf of bread. Green?
Oh yeah, bread. They do bread. I have no clue. It looks like really thick moon pies.
Moon pies, some kind of weird burger. It's like the burger they did at Burger King a while back for Halloween. Was the all black burger?
Yeah.
Just imagine those things. I'm sure those aren't burgers, but if there was a all black thing, the burger looked like that in Burger King. I didn't try it. I thought about it, but
oh yeah, I heard they were nasty.
I believe it. Just anything discolored like that, just cheese, lettuce, all of it was black. Why? All right. We'll go ahead and show off the items here. This is I don't know what it is, but it says petite collier. I am definitely butchering these names, but it's LU, whatever that logo is. We have, this is from Nestle. I can read that part. Nestle nuts.
Oh goodness.
Now, I'm just going to say this because I'm sure a lot of you are thinking of it. Yes, we're about to have nuts in our mouth.
Oh,
the only
that was just.
I know I took it too far. Too far.
No, that just was just perfect. I mean,
okay, I almost read this wrong completely. I thought it said testes, but it says tetes bourrelaises. Tetes bourrelaises. I thought it said testes. I have nuts on the mind apparently. But yeah, we have what seems to be either cherry and watermelon or lime. I don't know. We'll find out. We have Lay's Saveur Poulet Rôti. Again, those who speak French fluently or from France, I apologize for the butchering of these names. And then also Saveur Chevet Piment d'Espelette. Just another chips. And then for the drink, Orangina et sa pulpe. Obviously, it seems like it's orange. I'm going to guess orange soda. Right.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
I guess we'll start small and work our way up. Which one do you want these two?
I'll take the one I'm guessing is apple, the green one.
All right. I guess this is going to be maybe cherry or strawberry. And what does it say on the thing?
Let's see, which are these?
We'll get a list in with each snack that shows the different snacks and the information.
It says these are aptly named. These hot-headed, chewy candies have an intensely sour coating that melts away to reveal a soft, sweet, and fruity center.
Oh, so like a sour candy, kind of like a sour airhead type thing.
Yeah.
I like sour stuff. I'm still on the hunt to find strong sour candies. Or sour anything, really. Oh, it's definitely taffy.
Oh, yeah.
I'm missing the pieces right now. It's not bad. Not too sour. Fruity.
Yeah, this one's definitely apple.
This is watermelon. I don't know how.
Usually that color red usually means cherry on most stuff.
Yep, nothing in English at all. Alright.
You want to read about that?
Let's read about nuts. Nuts. Nestle nuts. Nutty, creamy, caramelly, live in a word, and deliciously coated in milk chocolate. This Nestle chocolate bar is a heavenly treat that you won't be able to resist. We'll be the judges of that. Let's see if we can resist it. Stuff over there.
Okay, so what exactly is the creamy part?
I don't know. It looks like a...
It doesn't say what it is. I mean, it just...
Much softer than I thought.
Mm-hmm.
That's not bad.
It's not. It's good.
It's
Tastes like something.
A very lighter, fluffier Snickers.
Kind of, yeah.
Three Musketeers.
There you go.
Yep.
That's it. Yep.
It's not bad at all.
Mm-mm. Okay. The Brett's chips.
Huh. I didn't know that had a... This isn't my company, just to let you know. But,
It just uses his name.
yeah.
This bag of crunchy potato chips will jumpstart your taste buds with the nutty flavors of goat cheese.
Nutty flavors of goat cheese.
Combined in the vigor of the Espelette pepper. Okay.
At what point of goat cheese is nutty? Where are they getting the cheese from on the goat for it to be nutty? Oh, God. And so far of all these names here, I'm really scared to taste this. Chips made from goat testicles. Yeah. Nutty flavors of goat cheese.
There you go.
Combined with the vigor of pepper. All right, goat testy chip.
Actually, not bad. I think this one looks like it's got a little more flavor to it.
The hint of the peppers come at the end.
Yeah. Yeah, the more of the seasoning that's on there, the more of the pepper you taste.
Yes, Brett's goat testicle chips with a hint of pepper.
And they're actually not bad.
No, they're really good. It's probably the only time I will ever say that about goats. Nutty goat cheese.
All right.
All right, we'll do whatever the hell this thing is.
Oh, yeah.
Right there, just packaged differently now. Petite Ecolier. This thing. A French favorite for a good reason, and that is these crispy, sweet, and buttery shortbread cookies topped with a generous layer of rich chocolate. There's nothing good about it. Jesus. You weren't lying about generous. Shit. How do I... Why would they... Jesus.
Okay.
If you don't know what I was doing, they were
They're
stuck together, but
kinda.
just on top of
Yeah.
each other. That's a lot of
Okay.
chocolate.
It is. It's a good amount.
I like that.
It's not bad. I think the cookie was a little overcooked.
Yeah.
I mean, you think of shortbread cookies, you think kind of a little lighter, you know.
More of like a floury, fluffy taste.
Yeah. This one, I don't know, maybe it's just a different kind of shortbread or something, but it just seems overcooked. But it is not bad, though. It does have a good flavor to it.
Yeah, it does. Good chocolate. Or is it milk chocolate? No, just rich chocolate. Okay. All right, last.
Alright. The Lay's Lay Roti, I guess. These crispy potato chips are bursting with the succulent flavor of savory roasted chicken straight from a farm in the French countryside. Okay.
So my imagination was sort of taking some unseasoned chips and kind of rubbing them all in the chicken. Yeah, that's like a nice meal for somebody.
Kind of the way they put it out there.
Well, I missed a question those chips, what they do with the goats. Here's some chips.
Oh, God.
Some American mean vet will actually eat these. Fitting for a company name. Right.
Okay.
It's very aromatic.
Yes. It actually does kind of taste like a seasoned roasted chicken.
Yeah, because the smell hits you first, and it's like, it smells amazing. What's cooking?
Mm-hmm.
Then you get the chip, and it's just like, this is chicken.
Yeah, I mean, it literally does. They really nailed that.
It's like chicken.
You ever get Pringles or anything that's, you know, chicken flavored or whatnot, any kind of chips, they never get it right. Never.
That's really good.
These people nailed it right on the head.
Yeah. These actually outbeat the goat chips.
I think those are my favorite so far.
Yeah. These are really good. All right. Now to wash down all this French fancy food, we have the Orangina et sa pulpe.
And that is right.
Which I don't know why I turned that into a Spanish name. Speaking French with a Spanish accent. Okay. And I'm an American. The whitest white bread you can get. I thought it was something solid, bro.
Could you imagine something solid just fell out of the can?
Well, since it said pulp, I thought it was like pulp or something. That smells pretty good.
Alright. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Orangina. Or Orangina. This iconic French beverage features a mix of refreshing fruit juices, real orange pulp, a pinch of orange zest, and a side of light carbonation. That is true, the carbonation is not too strong.
It really does taste like it
Like
tastes more
Fanta?
like well, kind of. I mean, it tastes more like orange peel instead of just the actual orange.
Yeah.
You know, but it really does have that taste though. It's actually really good.
That is really good. It tastes like when you peel an orange, the white part,
Yeah,
like it tastes like that on the orange itself, with a hint of orange flavor, obviously.
yeah. I
It's
mean,
not
it's
bad.
got that exact. It's like they just took that and liquefied it.
Yeah. I'd say if I were to pick two things out of this, it would be the chicken chips and the pulp juice.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, yes.
Taffy's alright, but taffy's taffy no matter where you get it from. And then the Three Musketeers version chocolate, it was good, but it wasn't.
Yeah, it was something that, all the rest of the stuff is kind of something that we had tasted before, except for the goat chips, but those chips, yeah, the chicken chips outdo the goat chips. So,
and like you said, the shortbread, it's a bit overcooked.
Yeah, I mean, it's just the edges of it are just so brown and stuff.
Chocolate bar is good because chocolate is chocolate. Unless it's the cacao stuff, I've tried that and I will never do that again.
Mm.
I was like a little kid and I thought, it's a big giant chocolate bar. I'm going to take a big bite of that. Opened it up, took a bite, immediately regretted my life decisions at like 5, 6 years old. So yeah. Let's see what stuff they have on here that wasn't in
the whatever that is.
La Trinitaine Galette. This thing here. If it'll focus, there we go. With a chance of becoming your new favorite cookie. Debatable.
Well, why didn't they put it in there then?
Put the favorite cookie in the box. These bite-sized treats are the perfect combination of sweet crunch and buttery delight. Okay, if they're that amazing,
really,
why not?
Yeah.
You could have changed out the taffy. I mean, we have taffy here.
Okay. This wasn't in there also. I don't know if you can really see that well. But the Lulu Lorson, this sweet bear-shaped sponge cake is filled with rich, decadent milk chocolate, making it the perfect treat for any snack-worthy occasion. Now, that sounds really good, too.
Yeah, it really does.
Why are they leaving these things out?
Well, the Haribo Roulette Cola. Love the fizzy taste of carbonated cola. These gummy discs are bursting with that iconic flavor, and they're a perfect snack anytime, anywhere. These are like those little Coca-Cola candy things, whatever. They're filled with little Coke. They're just like that. Those things are amazing. Why not send those? Touch of nostalgia.
The Nestle Sundae, I guess, S-U-N-D-Y, Sundae. Crispy corn flakes add a delightful crunch to the salty sweet treat, while the dark chocolate coating provides a rich, indulgent flavor. I mean, it might be pretty good.
It could be. Then you have Macado Chocolat Noir. These buttery biscuit sticks are dipped in rich dark chocolate, making them an ideal match for your cafe à la latte or as a quick snack on the go. So basically, Pocky sticks.
Yeah, that's what they look like.
Yeah. I don't mind anything about those. I use those at the store. Here, a little different, but.
And then you've got the Haribo Tagada Freeze. Tantalizing French taste buds for over 50 years, these little gummies are packed with strawberry flavor and dusted with a fine coating of sugar. Again. I mean, really.
Let's now ask the question now. There's a lot of Haribo stuff here. Is Haribo made in France? Is that a French company?
I don't know, but Haribo and Nestle as well. There's a couple of Nestle things in here.
I know Nestle's everywhere.
Yeah. But Haribo, yeah, there was 3 different Haribo things.
Is here, if I can spell correctly. Oh, dear God. A French company. Excuse me. Germany. No, the person who founded it was born in Germany.
Okay.
Well, the headquarters is in Germany.
Oh, wow.
Grafschaft, Rhineland, Germany. Founded 1920, December 13th, 1920. And then I think Nestle is a American company. Nestle.
I mean, who knew Haribo made so many different things?
Oh wow, it's actually headquartered in Vevey, Switzerland. Operates in more than 80 countries. What country owns Nestle? Yeah, Switzerland.
Oh, wow.
Interesting. I always thought they'd be an American country, but or company country.
Oh,
Learn
goodness.
something new every day.
Yep.
I think that was. Yeah, that's the one I thought was testes. Little taffy things. Yep, that is it.
Yep, that's all of them. But there was a lot on there that he didn't send.
Yeah, there's always a couple they don't send in the box, and I don't understand why they don't send them in the box.
I mean, if they're going to put them on the papers, they ought to send them in the box.
Exactly. They do this every time, and the snack crates I get as well. I don't know.
And they give you a little recipe over here as well. How to make a sandwich
Croquet Monsieur.
that comes out to look like that. It
Looks
actually
like that.
looks delicious actually. I would love to try to make it really.
It says 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of whole milk, pinch of ground nutmeg, 1 bay leaf, 4 slices of sandwich bread, 4 ounces of sliced Black Forest ham, 4 ounces of sliced
Gruyere cheese.
1 tablespoon of melted butter, a fourth grated Gruyere cheese, and then 2 tablespoons of chopped chives. We can make this.
I was going to say, that sounds good. That sounds really good.
Hell, half these ingredients are here at the house. I think what we'll do, eventually, within the near future, probably, I would get all the little things like this, and we should make.
The ones that
Yeah.
have the recipes on them. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because that really sounds like it would be delicious. It looks like it too.
it does. It's got the cheese on the bread with the seasonings and whatnot, and then cheese in the middle with the ham, and then I guess more cheesy bread.
Never have too much cheese.
No, of course not. Or go with chicken.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Too much goes though. All right, Jesters. That was our trip to the most amazing place of France. Don't mind the mime. He's not scared. He's just surprised. Surprised at this delicious food.
Yes, apparently.
Yeah. Bienvenue. Welcome. All right, Jesters. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.
See you later.